Hi students, today we are going to see some more example for GST. A wholesaler A sells a machine to a retailer B for rupees 5000 and a retailer B sell it to a consumer at a profit of rupees 1000. The rate of GST is 12%. Calculate the tax liability of the retailer B. Wholesaler A sells a machines to the retailer B for rupees 5000. Our cost price of retailer equal to 5000. But the retailer B sell it to a consumer. So consumer oda cost price you have to add to the profit rupees 1000 and give also GST 12%. You have to find tax liability for the retailer B. Now cost price of retailer B equal to rupees 5000. So his input GST is 12%. GST rate is given in 12%. So 12% of 5000. So 12% of 5000 means rupees 600. Next he sell it to the consumer at the price of at a profit of rupees 1000. So 5000 his cost price and profit is 1000. So he sold it rupees 6000. So selling price of retailer B equal to rupees 5000 plus 1000 equal to rupees 6000. Output GST is his GST is, that means consumer GST is 12% of 6000. So 12 by 100 into 6000 equal to rupees 720. Tax liability means tax on profit, that is output GST minus input GST. So output GST is rupees 720. Input GST is rupees 600. So output minus input. So tax liability is output GST minus input GST, that is rupees 720 minus 600 equal to rupees 120. That is tax liability equal to tax on profit. Tax on profit means profit is 1000 rupees. So tax is 12%. So 12% of 1000 rupees. So 12% of 1000 rupees is 120. That one is same as. Next problem. A microwave oven having a market price of rupees 22,000 was sold by a dealer in a Patna to a consumer in a Gaya, also in Bihar, at a discount of 25%. If the rate of GST is 18%, calculate the IGST, CGST and SGST charged from the consumer. Also determine the total amount of bill. A microwave oven market price is MRP price is rupees 22,000. எங்க இருந்து எங்க வித்திருக்காங்கன்னா பீகார், Patna to Gaya, that is within the state Bihar, the same state. So integrated GST is nil. The transport of good is within the state, so integrated GST is nil. So you have to find CGST and SGST. CGST is 18, GST is rate is 18%. So you have to find the CGST is 9% of that amount. Also SGST also 9% of that amount. Given market price is 22,000 and dealer give at a discount of discount of 25%. So you have to find first discount in rupees. So 22,000, 25 percentage of 22,000 discount in rupees. MRP equal to rupees 22,000. Discount is 25. Discount is 25 percentage. So 25 by 100 into 22,000 equal to rupees 5,500. Now selling price of dealer is 22,000 minus 5,500. That means cost price of the consumer. Cost price of the consumer is rupees 16,500. So now you have to find the tax on 16,500. That is, the goods are transformed into the within the state. So integrated GST is nil. But CGST and SGST is you have to find, that is 9% of 16,500 and 9% of 16,500. So CGST equal to 9 by 100 of 16,500 is rupees 1,485, and also state tax is 9 by 100 of 16,500, that also 1,485. Now you have to find the total amount paid by the consumer. Total amount paid by the consumer is 16,500 and CGST and also SGST. So total amount paid by the consumer equal to cost price of the consumer CGST plus SGST equal to 19,470.